Operation School Bell is a National Assistance League signature program, and it's designed to help underprivileged children who are referred to us through the schools shop for brand new clothes here at Target.
The kids that are here tonight don't often get new clothes, so to be able to go into a store and pick out the clothes that they need is an experience that they don't get in their everyday life.
It's just really awesome that we're able to partner with the Boys and Girls Club.
Great to see all these kids out here tonight getting clothes for school. You know, having clothes and decent clothes to go to school in is really, it helps promote the learning environment for the kids. They're more comfortable. It just really helps, I think, their experience at school. So we're excited to be out here tonight as part of the Boys and Girls Club with the Assistance League. I'm really appreciative of the Assistance League helping out the kids in the Boys and Girls Club and those kids in our community.
Makes them feel good about themselves, their self-esteem, and I believe that helps to be successful in school and be successful in life. So absolutely, it's all tied into public safety. And as far as a public safety fire department member, it's important for us to be connected with our community.
Well, the Boys and Girls Club tries to have every child reach their full potential, and part of that is making sure that they have a meal, that they have clothes that they're proud of, that they do their homework. It's all part of what kids need to thrive.
It means a lot to us. We appreciate everything that has happened tonight, and that Ryden's got the opportunity to choose what he wants, and it's really appreciated, and we're just grateful to be able to be a part of it.
Well, it's a good experience from getting a lot of the stuff I need in for school, because it's so amazing to have everybody here getting all of this stuff that they need. It's just good.
Pounder, good job, buddy. Nice big bag.
Yeah. We put shirts on backs, shoes on feet, and smiles on faces, and if you walk around tonight, that's exactly what's going on.
It's more in the heart, you know, the appreciation.